Hey guys, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a look at the LD Waffle by Nike in collaboration with Japanese luxury fashion brand Sacai, also Japanese streetwear label Undercover in the black and bright Citron colorway. These released on the 29th of October 2021 here in the UK for the retail price of £155. Quick disclaimer, this pair is 100% authentic from the Nike Sneakers app, and it comes with an orange Sacai Nike box with the style code DJ4877001. Opening up the box comes the shoes in black Undercover branded wrapping paper. It includes an extra set of 2 laces, one white satin silk with gold aglets and the other a thin grey wax rope style lace. As much as I like the accessories, we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. The Sacai double swoosh, tongue, midsole and lace theme continues on this LD Waffle, this time with black Nike, Sacai and Undercover branding on the extended heel. It features a black nylon mesh upper with smooth white leather, hairy grey suede, ripe lemon yellow hits on its collar, outsole and leather swooshes that sits on both sides of its mid panel. Black Nike Sacai branding can be seen on its white insole, and with these shoes I recommend staying true to size for a nice snug fit. These to me are the best colorway out of the Undercover Sacai LD Waffle collab. Shameless plug, I did make a video on the maroon colorway as well. I feel like this colorway works really well together, it's easy to style, and that's just my thoughts on the shoe. Now it's time for yours. Did you manage to pick these up? Did you miss out? Or did you pass? Thanks for watching. Please comment under to show me you watched this video to the end. It's at Samuel Sago on my social media links. Apart from that, have a good day.